Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup without chicken. We will begin by creating a robust vegetable broth, which forms the heart of our soup. Sautéing a mirepoix of onions, carrots, and celery until they are tender is crucial for building flavor. Then, incorporate fragrant herbs like thyme and bay leaves to infuse the broth with a wonderful aroma and depth, setting a perfect stage for our comforting meal. Now, let's explore our plant-based chicken alternatives. Shredded king oyster mushrooms are fantastic for replicating that familiar chicken-like texture. For added protein and a satisfying heartiness, consider incorporating chickpeas or cannellini beans. Alternatively, firm tofu or tempeh, cubed and seasoned well, can also provide a substantial, meaty bite to your soup. These options ensure a fulfilling and delicious experience without any actual chicken. Next, we focus on the noodles and fresh vegetables. Choose your favorite noodle variety. Eggless wide egg noodles or even thin spaghetti work wonderfully. To boost the nutritional value and add vibrant color, stir in fresh vegetables like spinach, peas, or corn towards the end. Remember to cook your noodles separately and add them to the soup right before serving. This simple step prevents them from becoming soggy, ensuring a perfect texture in every spoonful. Finally, let's perfect our soup with some finishing touches. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. A small splash of fresh lemon juice can brighten all the flavors beautifully. For a fresh, herbaceous aroma and taste, garnish each bowl with chopped fresh parsley or dill. Serve your incredibly delicious and comforting plant-based chicken noodle soup piping hot, and savor every single spoonful immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.